Page 21, In the Snow. Don't have a lot to say here. We're just using our new note A still for the left hand. So let's look it over. 4 measures long. Treble and bass clef, 2/4 time signature now, so there's only 2 counts in a measure. The upper staff is all empty, so the right hand isn't playing anything. It's all for the left hand. So you can leave your right hand on your lap or wherever you choose to put it, out of the way. And the left hand. First, let's make sure we got the notes. So the thumb starts here on middle C, that puts you here. And again, play and say the note if you still don't know the names of these notes. It's C, B, A, C, B, A. And just make sure you know the names of the notes instantly. Then you can add in the rhythm, the counting. Half note gets 2 counts, remember, it's the same as 2 quarter notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. You get the idea? Okay. If you want to add a little bit of interpreting to it, you see there's a comma there in the second measure. You can lift up if you want to. It's like taking a breath. 4. Just lift up a little bit. That's interpretation. There's nothing in the music that tells you to do that. You just feel it. If you don't feel it, don't do it. But try it out first and see. It might feel right after you try it out. Other than this, I don't have a lot to say. I haven't talked about speed because they haven't talked about speed. As far as how fast you go, you can go as fast or as slow as you want on a piano, but there's limits. In other words, if you're going to sing it, Down I Go in the Snow, how fast are you going to go down in the snow? Is it now? That's too fast. That's not the character of the piece. It's out of step. So that's too fast, and we don't want to go too slow because on a piano it's a percussive instrument. That is, the sound just dies away. It just and the listener is thinking, is this ever going to get over? So you don't want it to go so slow that it drags. So it's got to be somewhere where it sounds good. If you were going to sing it, how fast would you sing it? Down I Go in the Snow. Well, I don't know how fast you want to go down, but just feel it. Again, how fast you go, that's interpreting the music. That's another part of interpretation. So it has to be accurate. So don't go faster than you can play accurately. Some people disagree with that. They all forget accuracy. Just get into the music and play it however fast you feel it. I disagree. I would prefer it be accurate, so don't go faster than accurate. Let's play it together very slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms. Shouldn't be a problem. There's only 3 notes. So I'll give us 2 counts. Ready, go. There's 2. Now let's try it. Ready, go. Now there's a teacher's part to this. I'd like to do that, and you play what you just played. Going to take it the same speed. I'll give us 2 counts. Let's just try it together. It gets a little bit tricky because you have to listen to me to stay with me, but you have to focus on what you're doing because I might be doing something different than you're doing, and so it takes a little practice to learn to play with other people. It can be distracting sometimes. Ready, go.